Hello guys, we have been working so hard in science. We are working on thinking like a scientist. We're learning the scientific method, and we've been doing some pretty cool experiments to make sure we understand the steps that all scientists must go through. Well, the first step is to make an observation. So today with our gummy bear experiment, everybody got a few gummy bears, and what we did is we just looked at our gummy bear, we smelled our gummy bear, we listened to our gummy bear, we touched our gummy bear, and then we tasted, yummy, 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 our gummy bear. And then from those observations, we went on to step 2. Then scientists say, after all of that observing, I want to know, and what we wanted to know was, what would a gummy bear do if left for 2 days in water and baking soda, and in water and vinegar. So then step 3, everybody formed a hypothesis. Remember that a hypothesis is simply a guess, but it's not just any kind of guess. It is your best educated, smart guess. So everybody thought, well, let me guess what a gummy bear would do in water. I think it might shrink. I think it might expand. I think it might disintegrate. I think it might disappear. We had some very good science words going on. Some people said, you know what? I think nothing will happen. It'll just stay the same. Then we did the same thing for water and baking soda, and then we made a hypothesis for water and vinegar. This was the last step that we did today. We designed our experiment. We said for step 1, we would grab a cup and we would put water in it. Step 2, we would grab a cup, put water and baking soda in that one. Then we grab a third cup for step 3 and we would put water and vinegar in that cup. Step 4, we would drop a gummy bear into each cup. And then step 5, we would leave it alone for 2 days, and then we would come back and then we would observe it again and then make a conclusion. Now, I promised that I would go ahead and set up the experiment because we had a lot of things going on today. So I put a gummy bear in water. This is what it looks like. I put a gummy bear in water and baking soda. This is what it looks like. You see the baking soda is kind of settling to the bottom. Then I put a gummy bear in water and vinegar. So I just dropped one in each. I wanted to also make sure I dropped the same color so that we can kind of see what happens. This is what baking soda looks like. It's just a white powder that moms and dads use for lots of things. This is vinegar. Moms and dads also use this for lots of things and cooking and great things like that. So we are going to let these sit for 2 days, and then we will see what happens to the one in water, to the one that is in baking soda, and to the one that is in vinegar. All right, we'll check on these on Friday.